If you use AMD Ryzen CPU, you might have noticed that video playback lags and frame drop occur in Chromium-based browsers like Google Chrome, Brave, Edge browsers. This problem is noticed on AMD Ryzen chipsets like Ryzen 5, Ryzen 3, Ryzen 7 processor systems with running Windows operating system. You might have tried to fix it by updating BIOS, OS, drivers, or the browser itself. But nothing works. There is no issue with the Mozilla Firefox browser in the same computer system. But there is a problem with Chromium-based browsers. Here I will share how to fix this problem easily. The process I will show in this tutorial will apply to all Chromium-based web browsers running on the Windows operating system. Here you can see right now on my desktop 2 YouTube videos are playing. In the debug details you can see lots of frame drops. Both videos are full HD 60 FPS. In the task manager, only 25% RAM is being used and 60% GPU is being utilized. So there is lots of free resource in my system. In this system, I am using AMD Ryzen 5 3400G processor with 16GB RAM. Let me show you how you can fix this problem. First of all, open up the Chrome browser. Then type chrome://flags in the search bar and hit enter. You will notice lots of hidden settings will be opened. Do not change anything without knowing its proper work. We will change only one thing here. In the search box of the hidden settings page type choose Angle Graphics Backend. You will see a settings option with the value default. Click the drop-down option and select D3 D9. After this, there will pop up a relaunch button at the bottom of the screen. Simply click on it or just restart the web browser. I have done the same process with other Chromium-based browsers like Brave and Microsoft Edge. Now I am playing the same videos in 2 separate browser windows. But there are no frame drops and lags in the browser. The reason for this problem may be for Windows operating system bug or maybe an AMD driver issue. Whatever it might be, but after changing the simple Chrome flags settings, all the issues of frame drops or lags in the Chrome browser in the Windows 10 operating system and AMD Ryzen CPU are fixed. If you still facing any issues with AMD CPU and Windows 10, let me know in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to some tips for more awesome tech videos. Thank you and see you soon in my next video.